Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 6, and our today's topic is chapter 12, CQ number 2 and lecture number 24, and after this class our homework number will be 18. Teacher name, my name is Sanjida Rahman, and mobile number, and our today's date is 23 June 2021. My dear students, in our previous class we discussed chapter 12, and the name of our chapter is the origin and formation of the earth. In our previous class we read this chapter attentively and also discuss creative question number 1. In our today's class we will discuss creative question number 2. Now let's start our class. At first, in the creative question number 2, a stem is given. So at first we read the stem, then we read the question and try to find out the answer of this question. Now let's start our class. Creative question number 2. In science class, teacher was explaining solar system. He explained the creation of solar system, position of the earth, sun and the moon, and said that the sun is the source of all light and heat of the earth. As the student asked about the differences between a star and a planet, he explained the differences too. Number A, what is fossil fuel? Number B, write differences between star and planet. Number C, describe the mentioned source of light and heat. And number D, analyze the effect of the star in the said solar system. Now we try to give the answer of this question. Now number A question, what is fossil fuel? Answer, big trees lying under pressure beneath the earth for a long time have converted to coal, petroleum and natural gases are called fossil fuel. So we know that fossil fuels are the big trees which are lying under the soil for a long time, and then then they converted into coal, petroleum and natural gases, and that's why they are called fossil fuel. Number B, write differences between star and planet. Now we know that in the solar system there are star and different planet. So we have to find out the difference between star and planet. Now let's start. Differences between star and planet. Planets do not have their own light, whereas stars have their own light. Number 2, it is a planets which revolve around the stars, not the other way around. Number C, describe the mentioned source of light and heat. We know that the sun is the main source of light and heat. Now we discuss this. According to the science teacher, the source of all light and heat in the earth is the sun. The revolving planets of the solar system do not have their own light and heat. They get the light and heat from the sun. The sun is a burning gaseous body. It is gaseous. In this gaseous body, when hydrogen and other gases fuse together, and they produce immense amount of heat and light. The temperature at the core of the sun is 1,50,000 Kelvin. 1,50,000 Kelvin. The sun is radiating energy all the time. This energy is scattering around the universe as light and heat waves. The planets and the satellites are getting heat from these heat waves. The earth is at such a distance from the sun that the heat that the earth receives is adequate. The earth does not receive light and heat from other stars. meaning the sun is the only source of light and heat in the earth. Now question number D. Analyze the effect of the star in the said solar system. Now you have to analyze the effect of the star in the solar system. Number D. The mentioned system and the stars are solar system and the sun. There is an uncountable number of stars, comets, planets, satellites and many other luminaries. Solar system is one part of it and the sun is at the center of this system. The sun is a burning gaseous body. The planets revolve around the sun and completed their lap in certain time periods because of the gravitational force between themselves and the sun. Again, satellites are revolving around the planets. Therefore, the sun is such a luminary in the solar system that all other luminaries are revolving around it. Also, the sun is providing light and heat to all the luminaries of the system. Therefore, the sun is the controller of all the planets and satellites of the system. So, after discussing this question answer, we know that the sun is the main source of light and heat and the stars and other planets also get light and heat from the sun. So, our total solar system normally or intentionally it is controlled by our sun, and also they get light and heat from the sun also. My dear students, I hope you can understand the question answer. You should memorize this question answer at your home and practice regularly. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.